In this episode of I Tried It, I test a side hustle that claims that you can make $40 unlimited with no work. We're going to talk about the process, if this works, should you do it. We're going to talk about it all so that you are not wasting your time, energy, and effort. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. Now remember, if you want to be a part of the $500 giveaway that runs through the end of December 20th, 2022, make sure that you are commenting on all of my social media platforms to earn points towards your winning. If you want to learn more about the $500 giveaway, you can watch this video up in the description. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. I watched a video by Online Hustle where they say no work, earn $40 for every video you watch on Autopilot, make money online in 2022. So let's talk about the process, what they want you to do. Basically, what they want you to do is to find viral videos over on YouTube, and you are going to shorten them with this website called 7r6.com. So let's take a quick look at this website to see if it's even worth your time. There are tons of link shortener websites out there. This is just the newest iteration of it. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to join this website, and I'll just log in a second here. You can see that there are over 4 million clicks. There are over almost 2 million URLs and 588,000 registered users. If we did the math on that, that's not very good. So let me just pull up my handy dandy calculator, as you can see on the screen, and I'm going to tell you why this is important in a second. So if we do 4 million clicks, because the only way that you're going to get paid is when people click on your links, and we divide that by 588,234, that is only 8 clicks per registered user. Now, that is not good at all, okay? And we're going to talk about why that's not good in just a moment for your chances of being successful. That's just one of the many things that you're going to run into. So not a lot of clicks per user, only 7, or rounded up to 8. Let's look at the terms of use. Do not ask people to click on 7R6 links. Do not shrink any website URLs that contain adult content. Do not place get URL links on any website that contain adult material. Do not click on your own link. You can test only one time. Test is capitalized. Do not use bots. Do not spam our links. Do not spam our links, which is interesting, okay? And we're going to talk about that in just a second. Also, let's take a look at the publisher rates. So with the publisher rates, you will make $3 for every 1,000 views, okay? So let's look at that. If on average, the clicks per user is 7.82, so we'll round it up to 8, you'll make $3 per click per 1,000 clicks. That actually comes out to 0.003 cents. Now, the reason why I'm using $5, that's the minimum threshold for payout. So if you wanted to, and I already did the math ahead of time, if you wanted to earn the minimum payout, you would need 1,667 clicks, okay? That's to earn the minimum payout. If we did earnings per click, it's 0.003, and you would need 1,667 clicks in order to get a payout. Those numbers are really important, and if we take a look at the payment proof here, you're going to see a bunch of people that earned very little. You can see here people are earning $5, $10, $15. Not a lot of money, but if we look at the total number of clicks, either this doesn't add up or all of the clicks are going to the top few people. Okay, so those are very important things that you want to be aware of before going through this process. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to sign in real quick to show you that I actually went through this process. We're going to click sign in. I only created just this one link to alstongodbolt.com. All right, and so the process for the original YouTube video says that you're going to get these shortened links. You are going to go find videos over on YouTube that have to do with gaming, and then you're going to join Steam. Steam is an online platform where gamers talk about games, okay? So this is a community. These people like, know, and trust each other. What this video is asking you to do is to come in and spray and pray and spam your links, which is a violation of the terms of service. You are going to join Steam, and I'm going to just show you what Steam is real quick. You're going to join Steam, and you are going to spam your link in hopes that people click on it. So as you can see here, I'm just going to sign in. You're going to see my Steam account. I won't sign in. It's going to take too much effort. But let me show you what happened when I actually joined the Steam community and I made a post. So yeah, I'm fine with that. View page. So if we scroll all the way down to the bottom here, if we look at this. So originally I had a link that said, or a post that said, this is a test. And then I had this link. And this is exactly why I screenshotted the results. This comment is awaiting analysis by our automated content check system. It will be temporarily hidden until we verify that it does not contain harmful content, links to websites that attempt to steal information. So that's a problem. If you are trying to get people to click on these links and the link is hidden, that's not going to work. But let me show you what happened when I was able to post the link. I'm glad I went ahead and got that screenshot before I came upstairs so that you can see what happened. So this is what happens when I created a post. So I don't know if you can see that. I'll make it a little bit wider. So this is the post. Alston Godbolt just now. I did this earlier today. This is a test, and then it actually does this weird thing. And when you do that, when you click on the link, it goes here. Link blocked. This link has been flagged as potentially malicious. So great. You are posting spam content on different websites and praying that somebody will click it. But most websites nowadays are protecting their users because they know if that users have a bad experience, they're not going to come back. So you can see this is what happens. The link is blocked for their users, okay? You can see this is what happens when you post the link. I was actually embarrassed to create this and post it. Let's see if it'll let me delete it. It won't even let me delete it. But you can see here, I uploaded this video, or uploaded this link 17 minutes ago, and it doesn't work. So this method does not work. It should say does not work. Instead of no work, does not work. Earn $40 for every video you watch on Autopilot. You know, I wish these guys would at least try this method before telling other people that it works. All right, and if you scroll down here, it says, bro, I just shared the link, but it's not working. Problems I face. Your domain is not accessible. This domain is not allowed in our system. I wish that these guys would actually try these methods before telling other people to do them. All right, and this goes to show you, spraying and praying does not work. Spamming your content does not work. What works is going out and making original content. And the time that it took to find all of this out, so create a Steam account, go over to YouTube and find YouTube videos, and create these links over on this website. You could just create original content. You could create original YouTube shorts. You could create original TikTok videos. Original TikTok videos, and get much further faster than just trying this junk. There are many red flags when it comes to this, so I don't want you to waste your time. This does not work. This video right here is spam. And, you know, if we look at this account here, you can see they have 255,000 subscribers creating junk content. This should let you know that if you create unique, original, good content, you can be successful. The problem is most people don't have the patience and persistence and consistency to get to the level of success. What usually happens is they'll do something, they'll be excited about it, and they'll do something for 1 week or 1 month. And when it doesn't hit your goal of making 10K per month, you automatically stop. And what you should be doing is tricking yourself into keeping going. So give yourself attainable metrics. I want to get 10 subscribers in 1 month. I want to get 100 views in 1 month. Give yourself real attainable goals so that when you are successful, that motivates you to keep going. Most people do not have the patience to keep creating YouTube videos consistently for 6 months, let alone a year or 2 years. And that's why they turn to these earn $40 for every video on Autopilot type of content. When you just create the content and you're consistent over 6 months, over a year, you will be successful. Again, this can work for TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, anywhere, instead of just doing this low quality, low effort content and potentially getting banned, because that's what's going to happen. I'm going to get banned from this this account because I only have the one post and the post is blocked. They're going to ban me. I can feel it in my heart, my soul. But Guys, I want to implore you, create unique original content and you will be successful online. Stop trying the shortcut, quick fix, $40 per video type stuff because it's not going to work. All right. And if it does work, it works for a couple days. A bunch of people jump on it and then they start blocking links. And then you got to constantly get on that hamster wheel. When you can create original content like YouTube videos or TikTok videos, these videos are going to be working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on autopilot. All right. You create the video once, you create, one video every day or 4 videos a week. Those videos are going to keep working for you even when you are doing something else. Maybe you have a full-time job. Maybe you want to go on vacation. Those videos are going to keep working for you. So if you don't take anything away from me, I want you to create your own unique original content. Mediocre original content is much better than replicated, duplicate, shortcut crap that doesn't work. All right. So now that I've gone on this rant and tirade, I want to help you build your online business. And to do that, watch this video next because it will help you start a successful online business.